Here's a classic tiramisu recipe for you. Ingredients: 6 large egg yolks, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 1½ cups heavy cream, 1½ cups strong brewed coffee or espresso, cool to room temperature, 2 tablespoons coffee liqueur, optional, 1 package, about 7 ounces, ladyfingers, unsweetened cocoa powder, for dusting, unsweetened chocolate shavings or grated bittersweet chocolate, optional, for garnish. Instructions: start by brewing a strong cup of coffee or espresso. Let it cool to room temperature. You can add coffee liqueur to the coffee if you'd like for an extra kick. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar until the mixture becomes pale and slightly thick. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, double boiler, and continue to whisk constantly until the mixture thickens and becomes custard-like. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. In a separate bowl, beat the mascarpone cheese until it's smooth and creamy. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. Gently fold the mascarpone cheese into the cooled egg yolk mixture until well combined. Next, fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture until you have a smooth and creamy filling. Now it's time to assemble the tiramisu. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the brewed coffee and coffee liqueur mixture if you added it, and place it in the bottom of a serving dish. You can use a trifle dish, a rectangular dish, or individual serving glasses. Spread a layer of the mascarpone mixture over the soaked ladyfingers. Repeat the process, creating additional layers by dipping ladyfingers and adding more mascarpone mixture until you've used up all the ingredients. The final layer should be the mascarpone mixture. Cover the tiramisu and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the dessert to set. Before serving, dust the top of the tiramisu with a generous amount of unsweetened cocoa powder and, if you like, add chocolate shavings or grated bittersweet chocolate on top for decoration. Serve chilled, and enjoy your delicious tiramisu. Tiramisu is a delightful dessert, perfect for special occasions or to satisfy your sweet cravings.